Alright folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be going over a bunch of accessories I got from my Model Y. Compliments of Tesery. They sent me out a bunch of stuff that I'm very interested in using and also reviewing. And these are, again, must-have accessories because Tesla just did not come with a lot of this stuff straight out of the factory, which they should have. So let's go over in my goodie frunk that I have. First of all, we have this Tesery organizer. By the way, links to everything in the description below, both on their own website as well as on Amazon. You can get from either place. So they sent the central console storage box, which you need because the console is quite big, and this is perfect to put things and organize. Second, and I've been waiting for this, this is the glass protector for the big 15-inch screen. I still have in my Model Y the original screen protector that came from the factory, so it's still here, so I'm looking to replace that. So the glass protector is a must-have. And second, I love these puddle lights with the Tesla logo on them, and I installed these on my other cars, and I can't wait to install it in my Model Y. As well as also this little thing is the center armrest hidden slot organizer. I was going to put my registration and things like that in here. So all these little things make your Tesla Model Y more enjoyable. Here's an unboxing of the puddle lights I received from Tesery. These are the ones with the Tesla shield. I'll go over what I really like about them. Actually uninstalled, I've installed one already. So this is the ones that come from Tesla, and it's all plastic, and there's no projector, just a LED right here. And again, all plastic. These are the original ones from Tesla. These are the ones from Tesery. They're a little bit heavier compared to the Tesla ones, obviously because they have a metal or aluminum heatsink. And here's the projector, and it has a nice Tesla shield that comes out of it, as you can see. So they look like that they're good quality because they are front facing. They also have left and right, so I believe you'd be able to tell. I believe that's what these are because the other one has an R on it. Yeah, so this one has an R on it, and two L's, and then I already installed one of the right side ones. I also want to compare the original Tesla one to the one that's from Tesery. This is just a little bit bigger. The face of it, when you put them one against the other. The one from Tesery is bigger, but it still fits in nicely inside the housing. Yeah, and it has two tabs here to hold it in place, just like the Tesla one does. Alright guys, my other camera ran out of juice, so I'm using my phone, and it's very easy to unclick this. So you have a purple wire and a yellow wire. The way it comes out, I think, well, if you're right-handed, you're gonna have to just turn it a little bit, depress this part, and then it'll click right out. And I thought I heard some kind of a noise. Anyway, as you can see, this is all plastic. The top part of all of this is all plastic. It's just a regular LED. It's actually not so bright with this one. Okay, put that aside. Now we'll take this one, which has a metal heatsink right here. So all looks like it's thin aluminum, and we will plug it in. We want to make sure what direction, and it's literally just plug and play. Okay, And here's a projector. There's the, I don't know if you can see the Tesla logo. Okay, there's my hand. All right. I'm hoping you guys can see the Tesla logo right here. And again, how we want it positioned, we want it down like this. So as you open the door, you can read it. Just squish all the wires in and do the inside part first. And literally just, pushes right in. Yeah, I'll do another video when I open the door when it's dark. All right, so today we'll be installing glass screen protector on this 15-inch screen. It's over here. As you can tell, I still have the original plastic cover that comes with the car, and this is the one I got from Tesery, and I'll do an unboxing to see what it comes with and then figure out how to go about installing it. We'll have to put the car into, I guess, screen clean mode, so we'll go ahead and do that. All right, now that we've opened it up, let's see what it comes with. You obviously have the screen protector, very similar to an iPhone screen protector. And I'm guessing this is some kind of a dust cleaner, that's it. Nothing to identify what's the best position for it. So I think we'll just have to wing it, put it in, and then wipe it horizontally to see how that works. It's instructions right here. Check the size, use the mini alcohol wipe to clean. By the way, I have my own wipes to clean. Use the sticky paper, which is what it comes with, and then pull a guide mark, tears off the thin protector, and then whatever. You know what? We'll just wing it. All right. So I just have my own lens cleaner, which I will use on a waffle cloth, and my own dust cleaner. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. So let's move this. Let's see. I do want to put this into. Where's the mode to screen clean mode? Maybe it's on the display. Here we go, screen clean mode. Clean the touchscreen with the soft cloth designed for monitoring. Do not use cleaners, wet wipes, or dry statically charged materials. That's interesting. I guess no wet wipes. Do not use cleaners with a soft cloth designed for monitors. You know what, let's just get rid of the dust over here. We should use, alright, so that's gone, hopefully. This is for a glass lens. It's also used for TVs as well, so I'm just going to use this. Not spray on this directly, but spray it onto the cloth. Wipe it off. It's difficult to see the air bubbles. I should have brought my squeegee. I'd use the squeegee, but this will have to work for now. I have air bubbles in the bottom. That's it. It's anti-reflective, it's matte, and works pretty well. AC going. Have the cam working. The radio. Music. Camera. Dash cam. Camera. All the controls. The first must-have accessory is this center storage box, which is right here, and it goes straight in the center console just by opening it up, dropping it in, and you can slide it back and forth. So if you push it in all the way, and difficult to grab it, but they have two different kinds, one with all felt and one with just plastic. I just got the plastic one because I think it's easier to clean. But let's put all these rubber things on here, and then we can start using it. With these rubber placemats in place, the storage compartment looks built in, like it should have come from the factory, but it's missing. So you can still reach underneath, so you still have all this room and lights and whatever. The one thing you may not be able to use are the storage, the USB-C ports, if you have this in the way, like so, because it covers up the USB ports. But I really don't plan on using this. I'll be charging my phone here on the wireless charger, so I really have no intention of using this USB-C, at least for now. So this is perfect. I can put a bunch of things in here, some Cottonelle wipes and wet ones, just to wipe my hands and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's pretty easy, pretty convenient, and perfect accessory. The next accessory I have from Tesery is this secret center arm storage. So basically, when you look at the center armrest right here, there's this open cavity right here, and this fits right in. Then we can bring this down, and oops, actually I didn't stick it in, but I just wanted to show you that it goes. So it fits in right here. I'll open up the double-sided tape and put it in, and then I can keep my registration and my insurance card right in here, and close it up so that it's secure. All right, so let's go through the process of removing the double-sided tape on all four corners and sticking it in. I think it's good to clean it up with alcohol first so that it sticks properly, and then just using isopropyl alcohol. Once we do that, then we can stick this in so that it's nice and secure.